Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I am here again to react on a video that you are seeing now on your screen. Okay, and this is a video from this woman called Betty. As you can see, this is her. You can see here Betty Ford. Okay, she decided to run her mouth. If you can read this, she said Uche Obi or Abu Fulani will go 419 and Farmer Diana planned and invited a Finnish that planned. I think that's what they want to say here. Invited a Finnish journalist to misinterpreted the rally protest upside down in Finnish language. That our PM is that's our protest is that we are not happy with PM activities. Now, as you can see, I'm trying to make a quick reaction to that without downloading the video. What this woman said here, look at her here. What she says here, you will be shocked. And my people, I can tell you for free that our people are in very big mess, very, very big mess. You know why? When you have old people like this, elderly ones, they're supposed to stand on the side of the truth, like even if you don't like anybody, you don't like CS or anybody at all, your age should count. Wow. These people, look at her age. Look at this woman. Please, before we go in detail, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you are new. Okay, comment and tell us what you think about this. This woman, why is social in France and Adora Ono Fancha? You know what I mean? They are not sleeping. Many of them, elderly ones, Imam Madaba of this world, people who have their number of years tied to them. They when they open their mouth to talk, you will be like, am I dreaming? What is going on here? And let me just allow it to roll because you will join me and hear that I'm not the only one that's going to hear this. Now let me take it back.
Yeah,
Now listen.
friends, my people, I greet all of you and I thank you people for being strong, being steadfast. You can see this video, my people. Ndị Igbo si na ọ dị egwu. Video a bụ video anyị mee na Finland, oge anyị jee Finland. I saw it today na nke Ugo 247 and I cannot tell why he brought out this video. My people, unu mana ebe anyị nọ na-protest. I know there for over an hour. Ngozi never came. Ngozi Orabu Fulani. Because a day before that, Yanu go 247. See na memelu PM this rally. Na ye make enough.
Chineke mere mmadụ ebere. Okay, let me allow the video to reload. According to her, CS is not here. Okay, Ngozi never came. Ngozi never came. Please, my people, who is this person? Who is this? Who is this? Now, again, for you to know the kind of people they are.
Family, we name enough. This very day, we go 247 and Noreba, we go left that day. After Yana Madam Ngozi Baobao say that na meme this protest. But unumazife me buna yana this onyo shineba anakpo Kedafia Obi. This Obi unufuru here. That is Judas Lelu PM. Oh Moka unune afueba.
Now, how many people have sold PM? You told us Ada, why is such in France? Said that yes, she first said that they sold PM. Then she turned around, CS sold PM. Now your own is now Uche. Kaina again. Let us continue.
Uche Obi. ya nwa bụ pillar behind alụmanụ niile nwaanyị a na-alụ. Unu ma ife somebody bịa gwa m 2 weeks ago wee sị m mana this very protest I mesi na that Finland guy bịa cover this thing gwalụfa na Madam Baobao sifa interpret ya maka na ndị Finland adasu English fa interpret ya n'onu befa na ndị be anyị na-aga ngagharị iwe against our PM. Unu nwere ike ikwete na ya dịrọ happy n'ife ọ na-eme na ọnya mere anyị ji agagharị ngagharị iwe ebe a. And all this uche.
Now, this woman forgot that a lot of people in Finland understand English language. Just like yes, it is true, it's not their first language, but the leaders, like those in government, understand it very well. Some journalists or whatever you may call that, I don't know how to say that in Finnish language, okay? But you know what I mean. They understand English language very, very well. And some of our people in Finland understand Finnish language. So how is it possible that COS told journalists to interpret it upside down? Coming from somebody at this age, lying from it, she don't even have respect for her age. She didn't recognize them at the I thought we are just, we are still battling with the one that Onowu pụta wee kwuo that na COS and mandate account to see from Australia and blah 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 we are still dealing with that one. And this woman, although I know this one as one of the liar, but she's just like she's in level of Chiamaka. People who their own is just like to live a bum man. Listen.
Onye ga-enyere aka wee kpọta that man, that same person bụ onye si na vam 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 anọrọ ebe a mana vam 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 nọ ya mụ nwa na onwe m anọ m here. Biafrans oge elugokwanụ mgbe anyị ga-akọl a spade a spade. Nwaanyị emega ife so much that onwerozi onye tosiri ịdị na-akpọta ya afa ya ka m ji wee kpodo picture isi naanị maka
that she intentionally turned this picture upside down this way, and I also intentionally turned your own upside down like this. That is gonna be the thumbnail of the video. So I intentionally turned it upside down so that you people will understand that anybody can do it. At your age, you choose not to respect your age. You decide to act as if you know it all. People who don't have shame, zero. Look at her. Look at the person. This woman. This is not. I'm not saying you should go and follow her. Don't follow her because you don't promote evil. Unless you want to promote evil, then follow her. But if you are broadcasting like I do, you can follow her so that you'll be hearing from their 7 tongues. You'll be connecting the dots for Biafran to understand. Because it's no longer a news that the intention is to bring everybody down, tear everyone apart, and run with the people's money. That's all. Look at.
My people.
This is no that also is
supposed to listen to anything who go 247 now. No, yeah, bido no get baba PM mba. Sina PM ne ko talk no obodo fa.
Imagine, look at another lie that PM that go 247 say that PM ne ko talk no obodo fa. We go 247 is telling. Then you ask yourself, when did this man start talking or following what is going on to compare go 247? They're like two. So you that are following what is going on this one, you know you go 247, right? So all of a sudden, this woman from nowhere is in position to tell you who you go 247 is. Okay, for cash. I was thinking that it could be age effect in some of their brain, some of them the way they reason in their brain, but it is true that if you are good in committing lying when you are young, there's nothing will stop you from being a liar when you are old. That's all the fact. Oh God, be here, man. Go 247.
My people, do not listen to this group of human beings. Ngozi, Uche Bika, Ugo 247, Fam Diane, all kafara way na plano ife neme. na Biafra land. According anything on know my people, I will not hesitate to come and let you people know.
Oh, we were on no, no, na pillow be uncovered, but an is or bow camera will call without any evidence, no proof, nothing whatsoever. You can just you can this is just how many minutes video? 3 minutes for 7 seconds. But within this 3 minutes for 7 seconds you are seeing here, this woman have mentioned not less than 4 or 3 lies. I mean, meaning that in a minute she can dish out lies. One of the lie, in case if you, maybe you are questioning what I just said now, that this guy sold PM. That's a lie. Two, another lie is that COS told a Finnish journalist to translate their interview and protest upside down to so that the Finnish government will Finnish citizens will see it as if that now and they Biafra and they protest against PM, not in support of him. Understand that. That's another lie. Another lie is that Ugo 247 have been sabotaging PM since day one. That's a three, right? Another one is that Ugo 247 uh, told them not to protest because they have protested enough. That's a lie. That's number four. Another lie is that COS did not come here at all the day of the protest, that they waited for one, they stayed there more than 1 hour and she did not come. That is how many? Five. Another lie is that they told them that they should cancel protests without any. So this is just the one I can remember now. In a video of 3 minutes for 7 seconds, and she's one of your elder. You see now, man, no, no, man, are you talking on Niger? Like, go again. Let me on the volume again because okay, I have to take it back a bit because I mistakenly click on this. So let's start from here. Hear her again, okay?
Listen to this group of human beings. Ngozi, Uche Bika, Ugo 247, Fam Diane, all kafara way na plan ife na-eme na Biafra land. According anything on know my people, I will not hesitate to come and let you people know. All hail Biafra, peace, progress, unity and equity.
Oh, ekwu otu ọtọ na ntị PS progress unity and equity maka na PM kwuru unu chekwuo do you know what is progress or unity? The answer is no. Apart from lie and sabotage, or maybe I'm not use the word sabotage. Apart from lie and falsehood, like spreading negativity, propaganda, what again can you say you are doing? Apart from these things, what again can you say that you can offer? Zero. Anyway, my people, let me not just stretch this video because I just want to make a quick reaction to that. Tell me what you think about this and who is this man to you. God bless you. Bye bye for now.